Where should my valve be positioned when doing the vacuum? I'm assuming multi-port valve. I have a salt filter. Also, do we start the filter or do we leave it off when we vacuum? I have to use waste because it's really dirty. Thank you.
So let's start at the end of that. If you're vacuuming on waste, then you're bypassing the filter completely. So you would have it on the waste function. The pump would have to be running. That's not an ideal scenario in general. Normally you would want to have it on filter and then vacuum. You may have to close the main drain valve a little bit so you get more water suction out of the skimmer, but you likely don't want to always do it on waste because then you're just literally wasting water into the yard. I understand sometimes you have to do that, but the best case scenario would be to vacuum while in filter mode so that you trap the debris in the filter and then you backwash it out versus wasting all that water while trying to get debris out of the pool.
Back to the comment of I have a salt filter. What do you suppose that means?
I think that's just people not understanding a salt generator system that creates chlorine and a filter that filters out the water. I think those are just two components of a system, and they just mistakenly put salt and filter together as the same unit. I don't think they exist. And I think it was just someone's misunderstanding about what was what.